We at Snapline believe that a mobile app is not a copy of your website, but a tool to communicate with your fans and consumers in a more personalized manner. What better way than their mobile app? But wait, guess what? Most app developers out there create a simple mobile app with photos, music, videos, and other social media about your brand, but where is the personalization for your customer? Welcome to Snapline, which can allow you to customize and personalize the app experience for each of your users. Let's take examples across 3 different industries to explain more. 1. If you own a nightclub, bar, restaurant. Let's take an example of a cafe. In this case, the brand wants to personalize their membership cards across silver, gold, and platinum to its members via the app using their mobile number as unique member ID. As soon as the member logs in, they're able to see their own personalized card, which they can flash to receive their special discounts and offers. 2. If you own a spa, salon, gym, studio. Let's take an example of a fitness studio. In this case, the brand wants to personalize their diet plans and Class A notifications according to each of its members via the app using their email as their unique member ID. Once users log in with their email addresses, they can see their personalized diet plan and class schedule. Similarly, the brand can also categorize people in different interest groups. Say your studio offers 3 types of classes: jazz, salsa, and hip-hop. Each member can choose which classes they are interested in, and they can receive push notifications and schedule updates only for their interest level. 3. If you own a preschool training institute. Let's take a quick example of an institute. In this case, the brand wants to personalize students' events and newsletter notifications based on their class. Once the users, parents, download the app, they can see various generic tabs about the institute. When they log in with their designated email ID, they can see their own student's newsletter and events tab. Since the institute has a separate newsletter and event schedule for different classes, each parent receives push notifications and schedule updates only for their kid's class. So what are you waiting for? Call or email us to get your own personalized mobile app and start engaging with your customers on a more personalized level.